Well, we are now tracking some breaking inputs which are also relevant to the Delhi's assembly. Now, CNN News 18 accesses a list of business in Delhi Assembly today. At 11 a.m., newly elected members will take oath. At 2 p.m., the Speaker will be elected. And it's tomorrow, post the LG's address, the BJP government will lay the CAG reports. These are the latest inputs that we are tracking at this point of time. The Delhi's Assembly's inaugural session today marks a significant milestone with newly elected members taking oath and the election of the Speaker set to take place today. Well, joining us on the broadcast is our colleague Aman. A very good morning, Aman. Aman, what are the key priorities for the current BJP government in Delhi?
Well, Kohina, see, the Chief Minister will be in the State Assembly today, taking oath as a member of the House along with other ministers. And in fact, all MLAs will be taking oath today, followed by the election of the Speaker. Mr. Vijender Gupta, MLA from Rohini of the BJP, is set to become the Speaker. So today, these will be the proceedings. But what will happen tomorrow is very, very crucial, because the LG will be making an address in the Delhi Assembly, followed by the tabling of the CNAG reports in the Delhi Assembly. There are 14 CAG reports which have not been tabled in the Delhi Assembly for many years now. The BJP during its election campaign had clearly promised that, all these CAG reports will be tabled in the Assembly. They are on the liquor scam, they are on the Sheesh Mahal issue, they are on PWD, they are on Mohalla clinics, various schemes of the Aam Aadmi Party government. So these CNAG reports, once they are public, are expected to raise a lot of heat, because the BJP in its poll manifesto has also promised a special investigation team to look into all the corruption scams of the erstwhile AAP government. So once these CAG reports are laid, the Delhi CM could announce this special investigation team as well, which could bring a lot of heat on the former AAP government, its ministers, and especially Mr. Arvind Kejriwal. If you remember the election campaign, Mr. Kejriwal had been saying that, if his party is not elected to power, he may have to return to jail again. So that is something that, will be keenly watched. Of course, there are other merit priorities of the Rekha Gupta government, rolling out of the women's scheme at rupees 2,500 from next month for the poor section in the city. The Ayushman Bharat rollout is already on its way. A repair of the roads, a repair of the sewers, ahead of the monsoon season, desilting of the drains, cleaning of the Yamuna River, addressing the air pollution issue. All these, Kohina, are the top 5-6 priorities of the Rekha Gupta government.
Right, Aman, the BJP government's decision to table the CAG reports tomorrow post the LG's address is expected to be extremely intense debate and discussions in the House. Let's take a look at some of the political reactions we're getting on this report.
दिल्ली सरकार में 10 साल तक आम आदमी पार्टी रही और 10 साल के अंदर कैग जैसी महत्वपूर्ण रिपोर्ट को उन्होंने टेबल नहीं किया, और इसी कैग की रिपोर्ट को हाथ में लहराते हुए अरविंद केजरीवाल जी शीला दीक्षित जी के खिलाफ बोलते थे कि ये कैग की रिपोर्ट में शीला दीक्षित जी की काम की कमियों के बारे में और उनके भ्रष्टाचार के बारे में पूरी जानकारी है, और हम इस कैग की रिपोर्ट के आधार पर शीला दीक्षित जी को जेल भेजेंगे। वही व्यक्ति जब खुद मुख्यमंत्री बने तो उन्होंने कैग की रिपोर्ट को टेबल करने की भी जरूरत नहीं समझी। अब वो 14 रिपोर्ट विधानसभा के पहले सत्र में टेबल होंगी।
आतिशी मैडम की सरकार उसको ला नहीं रही थी। सीएजी की रिपोर्ट आने के बाद आम आदमी पार्टी का खात्मा होना निश्चित है। दिल्ली के लोगों को पता लगेगा, देश के लोगों को पता लगेगा किस प्रकार उन्होंने दिल्ली के साथ भ्रष्टाचार का इतना भ्रष्टाचार किया है, और ये सारे के सारे नेता जेल जाने की अपनी तैयारी कर लें।
जनता के मुद्दों को मजबूती से उठाना हम सबसे बेहतर हम लोगों को आता है। तो अब जो दिल्ली की जनता को जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने वादा किया है, एक एक वादों को हम लोग पूरा कराएंगे। और 2500 रुपये का वादा था। प्रधानमंत्री, देश के प्रधानमंत्री आकर के उन्होंने कहा था कि पहली कैबिनेट में हम प्रस्ताव पास करेंगे। पहला कैबिनेट हो गया, प्रस्ताव पास नहीं हुआ, और इस बात को हम सदन में पूछेंगे, हिसाब किताब लेंगे उनसे और मजबूर कर देंगे कि दिल्ली के जनता के किए गए वादों को पूरा करें।